And look, y'all. Look who's here already eating, y'all. Travel Addict Ted. They got potatoes there. They got beans. That's an English thing right there, those beans. Bell pepper, sweet peppers. There's sausage there. There's some type of meatballs. That's probably fish balls. Thank you very much, Kabong Klap. Check it out. What's going on, fam? Today, man, it's morning time and I'm bringing y'all these videos, and today I am in a craving for breakfast, but I want maybe some traditional breakfast. Y'all know I'm been eating the Thai breakfasts, like the rice and the shrimp and the noodles in the morning, but right now I want a traditional breakfast, the type of breakfast I was raised up on. And it's this spot back here that's only 200 baht. That's $6, all you can eat breakfast here at a spot called Bright Hersit. Let's check it out. Look, y'all. Look who's here already eating, y'all. Travel Addict Tez is in Pattaya. I do not believe it, man. It is really good meeting this guy. This guy is famous, man, all around the world. The Travel Addict. Look like he got some. Let me go get my own food and leave him alone. How do you order, man?
No, just go.
You just go up and get your food? Oh, it's all up in here?
Yeah.
Let's check out the food. All the food is over here. You just go and order. I don't see much stuff here. Look, they got the cold area right here. They got the cold area, some cheese, some turkey. It looks like salami. It looks like some ham there, some onion. They got potatoes there. They got beans. That's an English thing right there, those beans. There's sausage there. There's some type of meatballs. That's probably fish balls. I don't know what this is. This is some type of liver, I bet. Oh, man, I'm about to get in. Where's the eggs, though? I want some. They're going to do special order eggs here. I'm going to get scrambled with cheese. Whitey Pop. I'm going to get some eggs scrambled with cheese. What do you have here? Onions? Onions? What is this? Yes, that'll work. You have cheese? Yes. Yep. So we're gonna get an omelet, y'all. We're gonna get an omelet made, then we're gonna get a plate. We're gonna pick some stuff out, man. I don't see coffee though. Where's the there's coffee back there. There you go. She's about to hook that up right there. Look. Putting the butter in there. I like butter. I like. Oh, there go those eggs, y'all. Oh yeah. We got those peppers on there, bell pepper, sweet peppers. Got the onions. There's a lot of onions. I like them. I like. Got the ham coming on there. It's looking good already. And she gonna go in there and get a little cheese. That's the way I like it. It's the first thing I'm gonna eat, y'all. So this is about $6, man. And the baht is getting stronger here too, by the way. See these coffees? I like these coffees. These Nescafe coffees. I like those. I just bought a bag of those from the grocery store. I can't remember the price though. And look, y'all, they got sugar cubes. I know y'all like, Matt, you don't need no sugar. It's coming along. She about to flip it. Go ahead, flip it. It's looking good. Looking good, y'all. That looks delicious. I'm hungry. I'm gonna need some salt. They got salt on the table. I know y'all like, you don't need no salt. That's why I love y'all. Y'all be looking out for me, for real. No playing around. This place is pretty cool too, man, because it's like a lot of seating here, and they serve, I understand, from 7 in the morning until like 1 in the afternoon. Oh, she's flipping it, y'all. We missing the whole egg flip. That egg's ready now. Oh, I got bacon on there too. Oh yeah. Thank you very much, Kabong Klap. I'm gonna get some sausage, y'all. See that sausage right there? Two of these sausages right there. I know some of y'all gonna say something, so let me go on and get the potatoes. Y'all gonna be like, where the potatoes at? I know my subscribers. I don't know what that is right there. All right, here we go. The salt. There's salt on the table though, right? No salt. Which one's the salt? Salt here? Here. Salt. Oh no, it's okay. It's at table, right? On table?
On the table.
On table, okay. I thought you said salt before. All right, y'all. Here we go. Let's check it out.
You got the omelet.
Let's check it out. We got that
Got all
sausage
your
right there.
flavors right there.
We got the sausage right there, the bacon. We got those potatoes right there. And look at that. That omelet she made, y'all. It looks delicious. It's nice and fluffy. Got those peppers on it, red peppers, green peppers, cheese in there, and those onions. Let's check it out. First thing we're gonna dig into are these eggs, man. Let's check it out. I wanna get a little cheese in there with it too. One thing about the eggs in Thailand, they always taste so fresh.
I can't believe I'm sitting here watching you do it live.
And we have a potato here, y'all. Those are a little cold. Those are cold. I gotta have my fries. I gotta have my potatoes hot. I like it hot. But this egg is the bomb. You know, I called Travel Addict Tez this morning. He said, hey, are we going to breakfast? I was kind of questionable. Then I said, yeah, sure, let's do it. This breakfast is really good. Let's try out this sausage. Gotta touch my nose on that one.
Tell the truth.
I like that sausage, man. That's good. The sausage tastes really good and fresh. This is pork sausage. And I know all of y'all don't eat pork. We're gonna put the address of this place up here. We're in Jomtien Beach. This is a place where a lot of tourists come. A lot of expats live here. You do see families here, but the expats that live here that I've seen are mostly older. But it's definitely a nice beach, man. Bacon!
That omelet look good.
That bacon's good. The omelet is really good, man. I'm gonna dig into the omelet some more. The breakfast is official, y'all. I didn't really like the potatoes because they cold. I'm gonna sit here and stop talking and eat this. And I may go back up for some more. They got coffee in the whole 9 yards. So this is what it is, man. We're here at Brihaiset. Brihaiset. It looks like Brihaiset. If that's the wrong pronunciation, we'll give you the right pronunciation later.
And Matt, tell him 200 baht. That's $2.17 US dollars. $2.17. Come on now.
That's not $2.
Wait, hold on. Hold on, guys.
200 baht is about $6.
Hold on, guys. We're doing this live right now. Hold on, guys.
It's not live.
I'm gonna give it to you right now, right, guys? All right. 200 baht is currently at the U.S. currency rate
$6.30.
All right. Okay. Here, I'm typing it right now. 200 baht is $6.29. But check this out, guys. We can go back as many times as we want.
It's a buffet, y'all. All you can eat. Look, y'all, I went back up there, right? I went and got some cucumbers, and then it's kind of like this ham and cheese salad. And then I also got this crab salad. Look at it. I wonder if it's imitation crab. I'm gonna let y'all know in a minute. That tastes like real crab. That's real crab meat, y'all. That is not imitation crab meat. It just a little bit vinegary too, like a little bit. That is real crab meat. This on some bread right now would be delicious. Once again, big up to Travel Addict Taz for letting me know about this spot. This reminds me of the shrimp salad that they used to sell at the Bambergers in Newark, New Jersey. If I was to rate this place on customer service, the food, and the price, I'm gonna give it a 9. And the right pronunciation, y'all, is Brai Huset. We are at Brai Huset Bar and Restaurant. You wanna come check this spot out, it's official. And finally, right, I have this juice here. It tastes like that Concord grape juice mixed with water. This is absolutely delicious. Yo, I need to let y'all know, right, that Travel Addict Taz look real sleepy right now. It's a bar in the breakfast spot, 200 baht, all you can eat breakfast. They got coffee, they have juice. Diggle Travel Addict Taz right there. He's still in there chilling. Let's walk to the beach, man. I'm gonna show you guys Jomtien right out here. Jomtien Beach. Jet skis here. Young man working with his uncle or his brother or his dad or a friend. You got Kolan Island across the way there. The atmosphere out here in Jomtien, I really like it. It's more, to me, it's laid back, even though they have bars and, you know, a little bit of party life across the way. Like I said, what I've seen, not from what I've just heard, but what I've seen is that there are older tourists out here. I see more families out here than I see in Pattaya. And this is actually part of Pattaya, but they call it Jomtien.